Hello CTL Community, my name is John Rojas. I'm an IT and cybersecurity leader with more than 27 years of experience, leading teams across the private sector, public sector, military, aerospace, federal programs, and enterprise IT. My leadership journey started in the United States Marine Corps, where I served as a communicator and later as a communications and information systems officer. That experience shaped how I lead today, with discipline, with clarity, with mission focus. Over the years, I've helped organizations modernize technology, reduce legacy systems, strengthen cybersecurity, and improve how teams communicate and operate. In one of my recent roles, I helped build Air Lease Corporation's cybersecurity program from the ground up, including awareness training and reinforcement exercises. Today, I serve as Vice President and Head of IT for Sumisho Air Lease, where I operate in a dual CIO and CISO capacity. My purpose is simple: to help technology leaders lead with more confidence, make better decisions, and protect the mission. Because cybersecurity is not just about tools, AI is not just about innovation, and IT leadership is not just about keeping the lights on. These are business decisions, risk decisions, leadership decisions. That's why I'm excited to serve as a CTL Ambassador. CTL gives leaders a place to have real conversations, share real experience, and challenge old assumptions around cybersecurity, AI, and IT leadership. I invite you to join my upcoming CTL workshops. We'll keep it practical, no fluff, no vendor noise, just real conversations that help technology leaders think clearer and lead stronger. I will be introducing TBaaS, Technology Brokerage as a Service. This is a modernized framework for helping IT leaders strategically source, select, and implement technology solutions aligning to their business objectives. And if you want to go deeper, join my weekly mastermind. That's where we'll talk through real problems, real risks, and real strategies that help leaders move with confidence. I'm honored to be part of this community, and I look forward to learning, sharing, and building with all of you. Scan the QR code to join this community, participate in my workshop, and be a part of my weekly mastermind.